Okay, time to remove our Momo Montecarlo. Yo mga tol, we're back and mag-i-install na nga tayo ng ating VMS Racing Quick Release System. And yan, complete assembly yan. And we're going to install our new Momo Montecarlo Yellow. So tara, samahan nyo kami. Let's go! Okay mga tol, so again, nag-install tayo ngayon ng Quick Release System kay Project Hikari. Going to install our VMS here. VMS Ultra Thin Steering Quick Release System. So that's what we're going to install. And ito yung hub. This is vehicle specific. This is specific for the EK 96-2000 chassis. So the good thing about VMS, they provide guides. So if you see that there's your guide, your alignment guide, and there's one here, there, and there should be one in here too. There. So those are your guides, your alignment guides. Okay mga tol, so we'll take care of this one first. So yan, no, yan, kita nyo yung dot na yon, that's the guide from VMS, and that should be your top. Okay, our alignment guide, and yep, there. Okay, go. Keep going. Okay, this one first. This one.
I will do it.
Yeah, you can do it. That's one. Okay, good job. Hey, high five. Good job.
This one.
Okay mga tol, so we're done with this. Now, we proceed with the install of our adapter hub. Let's go! Yo mga tol, so we're ready to install. So uunahin natin itong hub. Dito yan. Papalit natin dito. Itong hub. And then, install natin ito doon sa hub. Tapos, ito, install na natin ito. This, we'll connect this, twist, lock. So, proceed na tayo dun sa install. Ito, si Salvatore ang gumawa. Okay mga tol, so again, ayan, may marker yan kung saan yung diretso. So, that will be our guide. 19 mm. Tanggalin muna natin to, and then afterwards, ipalit natin yung to, the one from VMS Racing. Woo, look at that. So nice, so beautiful. Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. So, let's go! Okay mga tol, so we did hit a roadblock a while ago. So this was the roadblock. So what I did is nilagyan muna natin ng silicone oil. Nag-seize siya na stock. So nilagyan muna natin ng silicone oil, and then after good 45 minutes, sinikwat kong pa ganun. Poink! And it came right off very easily. Okay na yung roadblock natin. Matatanggal na natin. So, magaling na lang. Steering knot. And hugot. So yan, may guide yan. Yan, yung marker ko na yellow, and then itong plastic na to. So yan yung straight. So yan, sunod nyo lang. Ito, may guide din si VMS, that little dot. So, tapos yan. Yun lang. Ganun lang naman. Looks so good! Okay. So, just tighten the bolt. Yan. Accordingly. Then, we proceed to the next part of the install. Okay, so the hub is in. And we're going to put this adapter na. Ito na sa quick release. So, we're just going to follow that in yung alignment marker. Align natin dito. Okay, so let's go. So this part no install, it seems hindi tayo magkaroon ng problem with these wires. So male female. So you just connect them. The problem will come later on. I'll show you. Okay mga tol, so yung adapter hub for the quick release installed na. So again, these bolts, they come with a kit. Even the Allen key, the Allen wrench. So Let's now proceed the installation of the steering wheel. Let's go! Okay mga tol, so we're ready to try. So yan, this. We'll go there, and then twist to lock. So dapat ganun lang siya kasimple. So I don't know. Yan, wala pa yung horn button. So let's try. First try. Okay. And then so okay. All right. So no slack, no movement. Okay. Firm, and I hope there's no problem with it. Now to remove. So to remove, press lang. Hawakan nyo yung steering wheel nyo. Di pa ako sanay. Press, twist. Okay. And it should come right off. Yes, like that. To put back, like that. Okay. And then just twist. Wait for the click. And success! Now, for my problem, for my kryptonite, horn button issue. So, tsatsambahan lang natin. So, based sa aking assumption, this goes to the positive. This is the ground. So, I hope tama. Okay. So, trial muna. Kabit natin. Trial. Like that. Okay. Huwag muna fixed. And we have horn! So, lagay natin yung horn natin. Fix na natin. Let's go! Okay mga tol, so our horn works. However, ito, pag nadidikit sa ground, so nagtitrigger yung horn. So what I'm going to do, lagyan natin ng heat shrink. Make sure pag hindi siya mag-contact dito and pag-trigger your horn mag-isa, especially during driving, no? So let's go! Okay mga tol, so done with the heat shrink. So we're just going to find a way to position this in here. We have to find a way to wind it here. And then we're going to connect our horn button, and that should be it. Home stretch, baby! Yo mga tol! So we're done! Look at that! So nakakabit na yung horn button natin, and sound check. Yon! Meron tayong horn! Gumagana! So ayan. That's our VMS Racing Ultra Thin Steering Wheel Quick Release System hub na specific for the EK body. Now, difference from doon sa Momo hub is ito, ayan, medyo mas malayo ng konti. Ito, kung gano'n man kalaki ito. Yun lang yung difference yan. Because before, 3 fingers. So ngayon, 4. But, tinan nyo, hindi pa rin siya makaka-istorbo dun sa stock switches natin. Maabot pa rin natin ng ating finger, even with our pinky finger nga. So lahat ng fingers abot pa rin ito. Hindi siya makaka-istorbo whatsoever. It's because itong hub na ito, it's meant to put the steering wheel to its OEM position. However, since meron tayong quick release system, medyo lumayo ng konti. But again, hindi siya makaka-istorbo. So, you see, ang haba pa even with my pinky finger, holding the steering wheel properly, abot pa lahat ng fingers. Whew, so nice. Anyway, so we're done. Success. Next stop natin, test drive. Let's go! So once again, look at that. So nice. I think I need a little practice to do this with one hand, but I think it's possible. It's possible to do this with one hand, but I need to practice. I don't want to scratch my new steering wheel. Look at that. It's a yellow Montecarlo. So nice. So that's our finished product. Again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. Maraming salamat. VMS Racing is our performance, and of course, rock the imports Pinas. Thank you! So nice! Look at that! Test drive!